What's up? Today is Tuesday and I am currently in Wisconsin. Just finished a shoot and I'm gonna head to my hotel because I have to shoot here tomorrow as well. But these were some of the sweetest, nicest people. I'm really tired because I've been up since 4:30 this morning because I had to drive in this morning. I was trying to decide if I should get some dry shampoo. I think I am because the hairstylist literally sprayed hairspray on every single look that I had to shoot, and I had to shoot 63 looks today because it was the e-commerce shoot. So I'll be doing some more tomorrow, but I cannot wait to get home. I'm gonna try not to fall asleep because it is only about 5 o'clock. I did bring my laptop, so I'm gonna try to do some editing, help me stay up a little bit, and then go to sleep a little early. Let me see if I can find a Target or something nearby and then head to my hotel. To the hotel. I actually was supposed to take photos and videos of my hands and arms to submit for an audition, but I'm too tired to do all that. So I'm currently just editing, trying to stay up for like 30 more minutes, and then I'm going to sleep for dinner. I had the honey roasted pistachios, just something light. I really like these, but they're addicting, so you gotta be careful with them. This is, yeah, it's easy to eat this whole bag, but they're really good. I also like the hot ones. I think it's made with chili pepper. But I will finish editing and go to sleep, and I will see you guys in the morning. Morning, today is Wednesday, and I have the second day of my shoot with the brand I'm working with. Hair, like I mentioned yesterday, the hair and makeup artist sprayed a whole bunch of hairspray in my hair. So I'm gonna spray my hair out with some dry shampoo, soak up a lot of the oils that was from the spray, because it wasn't a holding spray, it was like an oil sheen spray, or I don't know what it was. I'm going to use the hotel blow dryer to get a lot of the white residue from the dry shampoo out. Here is the base of my hair for today. I ended up putting some edge control on the edges instead because it worked a little bit better than the flat iron. But the hair makeup artist is gonna just, but the stylist for today is gonna go and flat iron and curl it, recurl everything. I'm going to pack up my stuff. I'm going to see if I have a little bit of time to film my hands real quick to submit for an audition that I said I was gonna do last night, but I never did. But let me pack up my stuff and see how much time I'm working with. So I was able to do quick photos of my hands and a video, and I am going to run out of here. Just finished with day 2 of the shoot, and it was some of the sweetest, nicest people I've ever worked with, but I would never wish e-commerce on my worst enemy because it is so much work. But now I'm gonna head home. Today's hair, they put it in a bun and it's a bunch of hairspray in there, so I'm gonna have to wash it out, but I'll do it probably closer to Saturday because Sunday I'm gonna do another shoot. So anyway, let's head on the road and get home. So It is actually Sunday. I've missed quite a few days. This week has just been so crazy for me, so I do apologize that I have not done a great job with vlogging this week. Today I did a content day with a photographer who came in from out of town named Will. I'll have his IG link below. I went and got my makeup done this morning. I'll have the makeup artist linked down below. If you want to see the photos that I got from that, make sure to follow me on IG. It is 5:16 and I can finally sit down after just running around for so many days. I'm making a pizza. I like to get Amy's pizza. You can kind of find it at some Walmarts and some other stores, but this one is particularly hard to find for some reason in the city, but it's the spinach one. They also have one with a vegetable crust, which is really good, but the one with the vegetable crust is super hard for me to find. I bought a juicer, which is still in this box. So I'm probably gonna figure out how to set it up either later today or tomorrow. And I did go to Trader Joe's the other day and got a bunch of stuff for me to start juicing. So I'm gonna try to juice all next week because I'll be taking updated photos for my portfolio that I'm actually paying for. So I wanna make sure that I'm looking as nice and fresh and lean and tall as possible in those photos. But yeah, today I'm just gonna like kind of cheat and eat my little pizza. And I'm gonna run to 7-Eleven and get a pop, which I never drink pop, but I'm just craving it. I have not had ice cream in the past like 2 weeks, so I'm really proud of myself. So I just wanna get this little pop to like help me unwind and relax. I'm gonna work on some editing, try to have a video uploaded by tomorrow. And then for my hair, I actually washed it and blow dried it yesterday. But it's super frizz because it rained today. I wanted to just give you guys a quick update and I will see you guys later. What's up? Today is Tuesday. I am looking a bit of a mess, I apologize. It is Tuesday evening, 7 o'clock. I didn't know it was this late. But I had my fit modeling job today, so I had just put my hair in a bun. And I don't know if I missed days, but I'm kind of like slowing down on YouTube because my energy and focus is on a whole bunch of other stuff. So unfortunately, YouTube has been kind of pushed to the back burner these past few days, but I'm gonna try my best to like maintain it and keep it up as much as possible. I am actually getting ready to open up my box over here, which is a juicer. Anyway, let's get this juicer set up. I also got these mason jars from Amazon. Oh, they're a little small though, but it's okay. I will make them work. So I have all my ingredients here. I'm gonna figure out like what I'm mixing with what as I am juicing everything, but I'll let you guys know what I end up mixing together. But what I will be juicing is baby spinach, organic baby kale, blood oranges, apples, lemon, carrots, celery, ginger, pineapple, and I ended up getting a lime. I am allergic, but the last time that I had a little lime, it didn't cause me to have a reaction. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really good. Yeah, let's get to juicing. This is amazing. It's really good. This one tastes a little more healthy. So I gotta figure out how to make it a little bit more sweeter. This one tastes better than the last one, but so far nothing beats the first recipe I did. Good morning, today is Wednesday and I'm about to head to work. Hair set with it in a bun as you see, and then just wrap the scarf around it. I'm gonna wear my hair down today because it's still pretty like flowy and stuff. I've been loving this weave. It's made my life so much easier. I'm gonna separate my leave out from the rest of my hair so I can flat iron it and just have it nice, sleek, and straight. I have my Babyliss on the highest setting, which is 450. My Gatsby edge control on there, and my camera's about to die, so I'm gonna finish up here. For my lunch, I'm taking my Trader Joe's Happy Trekking Trail Mix, a banana, and then the orange and carrot juice. I can't wait to drink this today. So my camera's about to die, but I will see you guys later.
I want to thank me for doing all this hard work.